Solve x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. This does not factor, so we can't use the principle of zero products, so instead we'll use the quadratic formula. We'll let a equal 1, since that's the coefficient of the x squared term. B is 2, and c would then be 3. So then x would be the opposite of b, which is negative 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 3. All of that is over 2a, or 2 times 1. You can say it out loud like this, or write it out and then substitute into the formula. Well, we can simplify. This is negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 12 is negative 8. All over 2 times 1, which is 2. And we can see that we're going to have a complex answer because we have a negative number under the radical sign. We can simplify this a little further. This gives us negative 2 plus or minus, the square root of 8 is 2 times the square root of 2. So that would be 2 times the square root of 2i, and all of that is over 2. Now, we need to write this in the form a plus bi anyway, so let's separate this out and make this negative 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i over 2, which would give us negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 2i, because 2 over 2 is 1. So this is really two numbers, negative 1 plus the square root of 2i and negative 1 minus the square root of 2i. So we can state that the solutions are negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 2i.